In this video, I will show you how to install RetroArch on your smart TV. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So RetroArch is a gaming platform that you can use to play games on your PC, smartphone, or smart TV. If you want to get the application on your smart TV, this is what you can do. The first option is trying to use your App Store or Google Play Store, depending on which smart TV you are using. If you're using a Samsung Smart TV, you're going to be trying to use it to find the application on your App Store. To do that, come to your App Store and you're going to write in RetroArch. So let's quickly type in RetroArch and see if you can get the application from our App Store. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So once we type in RetroArch, we are going to go ahead and search. Now there are two options when we search. Either we see the application on our App Store or Play Store, which is going to be good news, or unfortunately you don't see the application like this. If you don't see the application like this, there is only one solution, and that's because the application is not supported by your App Store or it's not yet launched by your smart TV App Store. If that's the problem for you, then the video after this, just link to this video, is how to install this application on your smart TV without Play Store or without App Store, or rather without finding the app on your App Store. So if you have this problem, then you might want to watch the next video to see how to get the application without App Store on your smart TV.